Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we have the TOZO Tonal Fits T21 True Wireless Earphones. These are one of the latest models in the TOZO earphone series, and I personally really like them for many reasons. In this video we're gonna be talking about all of its features, and we're also gonna be doing the gaming, music and calling test. But before we start, if you're new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So let's get right into it and find out what comes inside the box of the TOZO Tonal Fits. So here's the box, let's go ahead and get it out. As I've appreciated in my other videos also, I really like the packaging of TOZO products, that even with such a small box, the packaging is really good. So first of all, we have this folder inside it, in which we have the user manual to get you started with the smartwatch, and here we also have the QR code. You need to scan this QR code to activate the 18-month warranty. So I'm gonna keep it here. After that we get this box here, and inside this box we have a USB A to C cable to charge the earbuds. And in the end we have the TOZO Tonal Fits T21 wireless earbuds. So let's go ahead and take a closer look on them. First of all, here is the box, and the box is looking of really good quality. It has matte finish. It comes in 4 colors. We have black, blue, green and red. I have one in black. The product dimensions are 3.39 into 3.31 into 1.57 inches, and it weighs around 3.52 ounces. So on the box we have the USB-C port to charge the earbuds, and below we have the wireless charging sensors. I'm going to be showing you later in the video how to wirelessly charge them. After that, on the top we have the TOZO branding here. Let's go ahead and open them. And when you will open the box, you will see the OLED display here, which will show the battery percentage. After that, here it shows the model number, the serial number and the battery capacity of the earbuds and the box. We are surely going to be discussing both of these things later in the video. And here are the earbuds. Let me get them out. First of all, let me remove this sticker from them. And here is the first look on the earbuds. They are looking of really good quality. So overall the earbuds have matte finish, but for this area they are given a shiny finish. We also get the TOZO branding here. Then we have the microphones and the speaker, and here we have the magnetic charging points. On the stem we have L indicating that it's the left earbud. Just like this, on the right one we have R indicating that it's the right one. And when you will put them back in the box, it will start to show the battery percentage of the earbuds, and if they are not charged, it will start to blink that the earbuds are currently charging. TOZO Tonal Fits boast an IPX8 waterproof rating to protect your earbuds in various conditions, and you will not need to worry about rain or sweat. And now it is time to connect it with the smartphone. As advertised, it comes with Bluetooth version 5.3 for a stable connection with the smartphone. First of all, go to settings and go to Bluetooth. Then open the box of the TOZO Tonal Fits, and as you can see they will be detected here. So let's connect with them. Now they're connected. I would recommend you to go to the information of the connection and select the device type. Specifying the type of the device can ensure your headphone audio level measurements are accurate. After connecting with Bluetooth, you can also connect it with TOZO application. So for that, tap on the add button, then select TOZO Tonal Fits, and now they're connected. To activate the rest of the functions, you will need to get the earbuds out of the box. So here you can see that now it is showing the earbuds. It is showing the battery percentage of both of the earbuds. Here we have the settings icon, so it can also receive OTA updates. I also received an OTA update when I got the earbuds, and it took around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. After that, the earbuds just started working normally. We also have the touch control option here, where you can customize the single click, double click, triple click as well as long press function of both of the earbuds. So currently there is a song playing here, as you can see. So I can tap once to play or pause the media playing. After that, I can double click to start the song from the beginning or play the previous song. Then you can triple click on the left earbud to activate Siri, and after that you can long press on it to decrease the volume level. So this is something a lot of earbuds lack, so I really like that this earbud has the option to decrease the volume level. Now here we have the right earbud. So just like the left one, you can tap once to play or pause the media. Then you can double click to play the next song. Then just like the left one, you can triple click on it to activate Siri. And for the right one, you can press and hold to increase the volume level, which is again a great option. So these were the default functions. You can tap on each of these options and choose whichever option you want here. Although these are the 4 options you can toggle between, you cannot have additional options here. Just like this, if you receive a call while using the TOZO Tonal Fits, you can tap once to answer the call. You can long press for 2 seconds to reject the incoming call, and if you are already on a call, you can long press for 2 seconds to hang up the call. After that, the TOZO Tonal Fits offers 16 equalizer modes. For that, tap on more sound effects, and here we have all of the equalizer modes available. According to my taste, the bass plus has worked the best for me. After that, you can also set your custom values. After that, you can save it by tapping here. You will have to give it a name. For example, I'm gonna name it iMAT, then tap on save. Then after that, that new equalizer mode will be added here. The TOZO application also offers a lot of other features. For example, here we have the products. There are many other options here. Then we have the community tab here, so you can also stay connected with other TOZO users. Then we have the explore tab, which is one of my favorite tabs in the TOZO application. It comes with many relaxing sounds. For example, if you go to relax tab, here we have gentle ocean waves, then waterfall nature sound, then birds singing, footsteps in water, wind in trees. There are many ambient sounds available here which are too relaxing, to be very honest. I've also tried them using the earbuds and you will really enjoy it. In the end, we have the My TOZO tab where you can log in and you can also keep a track of your activity and the orders. In the settings, you can also record the location of the earbuds. So it will record the location of the earbuds the last time it was connected. So in this way, you can check where was the last time you were using the earbuds. And now it is time to check the fit of the earbuds and do the music, calling and gaming test. TOZO Tonal fits come with zero pressure, stress-free semi-in-ear design which offers enduring comfort in prolonged use. And unlike the earbuds with ear tips, using the TOZO Tonal fits you can easily hear the ambient sounds and it won't block your ears while wearing. And now it is time to test the TOZO Tonal fits. First of all, let me get them out and check the fit of the earbuds. So the fit is just amazing, and while wearing them I'm literally feeling like I'm not wearing any earphones. For this reason I really prefer them over earbuds with ear tips because they are really good for music, but for longer usage they start to hurt your ears. For the music lovers, the TOZO Tonal fits come equipped with 14.2mm dynamic drivers delivering clear deep sound for an unparalleled music experience. So for that I'm gonna take help of Spotify. So let's go ahead and play a song. It's a common thinking that the earbuds with ear tips have good bass and good sound quality, but even without ear tips, these earbuds are offering great bass. And remember that I am using bass plus on the equalizer mode. No doubt, these are gonna be my daily driver because even with this shape, they are providing great music experience. The voice quality of the singer, then the treble, the bass, everything is on point. If you want good quality music and do not like the earbuds with ear tips, then I am already recommending you the TOZO Tonal fits. So as usual, our next test is gonna be the calling test. For that I'm gonna call on my other device. So here's the call. Let's go ahead and accept it. So the call has been accepted. And first of all, if you talk about the speakers, so the voice is really clear and you can hear the next person clearly. So now we're gonna test the microphone, and do remember that they offer dual mic DNS noise cancellation for crystal clear calling experience. So let's go ahead and put it on speaker. Hey guys, iMAT here. Currently you are hearing the mic quality of TOZO Tonal fits. Currently the air conditioner in my room is turned on, but I'm not hearing any noise in the background. So just like music, it's totally recommended for calling also. And in the end, let's talk about gaming. So I used the TOZO Tonal fits to play Call of Duty on mobile, and the experience was really good. It has a very low latency because of which you can hear the gunshots right when they are fired, and overall the sound quality is also quite good in gaming. And if you are looking for 3-in-1 earbuds which can provide you great experience in music, in calling as well as gaming, then TOZO Tonal fits might be the right choice for you. In the end, if we talk about the battery life, the charging case comes with a 500 mAh of battery capacity, and it can offer 6 hours playback on single earbud, and using the case it can give you additional 44 hours of playback. If we talk about charging, it comes with a USB-C cable provided in the box to charge the earbuds. Any other USB-C cable will also work, but I would recommend you to use the cable provided in the box. Other than that, not only wired charging, but the TOZO Tonal fits also offer wireless charging, and you can just place your earbuds on any QI wireless charger and they will start to charge. So in my opinion, wireless charging is a big plus point in the TOZO Tonal fits. So guys, in the end, if we talk about the pricing, the TOZO Tonal fits are sold at around $30 on Amazon. You can find the link of it in the description box below. You can also find the link of TOZO official website in the description box below, so you can buy from whichever place you want. And if you decide to buy it, I would really appreciate if you can use the link given in the description box. In the end, whether you should buy it or not, I personally really like them for many reasons. First of all, I really like the same in-ear design. It doesn't hurt my ears for longer usage. I can continue to hear the ambient sound around me. After that, it also offers dual mic DNS noise cancellation, which really helps in crystal clear calling experience. After that, you can also connect it with the mobile phone application, which offers 16 equalizer modes, and you can also create your own custom mode. And the last and favorite thing about it is that it also offers wireless charging. So to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. If I missed out anything, let me know about it in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.